Welcome to the Bubble Art Attack. Welcome to Little Puppet Art Attack. Today we're doing a craft, which is a parachute made of a can. Hey, Tinkerbell, do you want to learn how to make a parachute?
Out of soda can?
These are the things we need. Hot glue gun. Hey, sure, guys, we have
Some scissors, a knife, some hot glue right here. You need a hot glue gun also, and this Fanta bottle.
Yes, and it's very hot. Don't touch it, guys.
First step is place your soda can like this and get this cut around the top part. Let's do this and come back.
Now the thing is cut.
This is the top part which is separated, and this is how it looks. Let's level the top part, and next step is to cut it exactly into small strips across this with thin strands like this until the rim, but not fully, until here somewhere. Okay, we'll do this and come back.
Careful.
Okay, so can you see these calories marked? There's a little line here, so I'll use this line to start my first cut. Okay. And now let's see which is the exact other one.
And guys, if you like our DIY crafts videos on Little Poppins Arts, please subscribe. This might be a good thing.
Let Gudiya do the talking.
Yeah. You can just cut what my mom's doing. Look what she does. She's just cutting that, but be careful with sharp scissors. Shooting also called as hot air balloon.
Correct. And what is she doing right now?
Yeah, she's making a hot air balloon.
What would it be like if you were in a hot air balloon?
When you have to hop in the air balloon and then it'll just catch on fire and then the seat will
We had gone to balloon glow
go back into the sky and you go flying into the sky.
What if you're too afraid? Would you go to iFly?
No!
Would you?
This is how it's all cut.
Ooh, guys, that looks like wrinkly.
And now we need to start making the parachute. If you open up, these cuts that you've made has to come up to this rim right here. Only then you'll get that balloon shaped parachute. So just make sure it is cut up. Okay, so this is the soda tin can that we've made. The strips that you have cut, we just have to open it up like this. It'll look like a sun. And now we identify the center of the sun, and we are going to use this top part of the soda can as a hanger. So let's make a center hole here. That's the center part. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to hot glue this here. Okay, now let's start making the parachute. For that, choose any one, bend it a little on top, and put hot glue on the corner of one corner of the strand and stick the next neighboring one just on top of it like that. And we have to continue doing that in a cyclic order. So just
And there we go.
just like this, we'll have to finish the rest of it.
Another three more.
And then this should go inside with this to finish off the circle.
And you are done. So that's how it looks.
Part of the tin can, I have tied it up with the thread and suspended it. You can suspend it from the center to any object you like. Since Simran likes Frozen, we chose that. So the last step is, like you see right now, the parachute is done, but then it is very close to Elsa. It needs to move up, right? So the last step is to hot glue the top part with this part. Yeah, so let's do that.
We're done with the parachute, and it's an Elsa parachute. A parachute.
Is Elsa coming through the parachute?
Yes.
Ooh, like that?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to hang it up somewhere nice?
Yes. Parachute is ready, guys.
Where is Have fun making this craft?
Yeah.
Everyone, let's have a dance party with the Elsa.
It's a day project.
Best from waste.
Best waste.
This is our new addition to our garden. Thanks for watching Art Attack. Please subscribe.